here now, and the farm actually belonged to Annie's parents who milk cows here, and they retired from the dairy 5 years ago or so and started the apple orchard here. So this is a fairly young new orchard. They've been producing apples for a few years. A lot of these apple varieties are cold hardy varieties that were developed in New York and Minnesota that are more adapted to the inland climate here than some of the apple varieties you'd find along Lake Ontario, the orchards that have been around for a lot longer.
Christmas trees are a growing industry in Lewis County. There are over 25,000 Christmas trees cut annually here in Lewis County. I think we need a bigger truck. There are over 7,000 pounds in Lewis County.